Greetings and salutations, I'm Abigail and I'm so happy you're here. I am so excited to share my coily girl Braid-N-Go routine with you. I'm just like overly excited, my cheeks are hurting. Okay. Alright, so here's a little history about my natural hair journey. In my beginning stages of going back natural, wash and goes have never been my go-to style. I could never find a product that really popped my curls like I really wanted it to, and I didn't like the shape of my wash and go. So stretched styles were always my go-to, specifically braided bantu knots, and I still love that style to this day. However, I set goals for myself every year, and one of those goals was to master my wash and go, and I think I did it. Before I show you the process, I have 3 big takeaways that I believe have made my wash and go successful. Number 1, I don't use a leave-in conditioner. I heard somebody talking about it one day. I tried it out for myself and I love the results so much better. It allows the product that I use to really pop my curls. It works for me. Number 2, I braid my hair, hence the name Braid-N-Go. I have a very tight texture and braiding my hair stretches my hair. And so I love the stretch that the braid gives me. I also leave my ends out of my braid. You will see the process, but I plait my hair and then I leave my curls out at the end, and it just allows for a more voluminous result when it comes to my Braid-N-Go. And number 3, less is more. I only use one product to achieve this look. Using less products on my hair lately has really been allowing my hair to thrive. And so yeah, less is more. This is a one product look and I can't wait to share with you my process. If you are interested in how I achieved this look, continue to watch and enjoy. The main product of my wash and go is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. She truly is the woman of the hour. Here are a few hair tools that I will be using for assistance during this process. We are starting off with freshly washed and detangled hair. Now, the number 1 piece of advice I give someone when trying to find a helpful hair tutorial is to find someone that has a similar texture to yours. If you would turn your attention to the video on the side, this is my hair freshly washed before being detangled. So if you are on team thick and coily hair, stick around and enjoy this tutorial. I do my Braid-N-Go in sections. I try to keep my hair as wet as possible, so I keep the hair that's waiting to be done in my shower cap. I'm starting with the back section, which is personally my loosest. Throughout this process, you will see me repeat 4 steps, and they are 1. Apply water, 2. Add gel, 3. Separate, and 4. Braid. Again, apply water, add gel, separate, and braid. You may hear me go between saying braid or plait, but what I'm referring to is a braid that is detached from the scalp. As I work the product through, one of the things I love about this gel is the little bit of weight it gives to help elongate my hair. I use my detangling brush to make sure that all the product is evenly dispersed on all strands. The next step is to separate. Though time-consuming, I believe this plays a huge part in making my hair look full and allowing my curls to pop. I'm simply filling each coil to make sure that it's properly coated with product and then giving it a little twirl at the end. Honestly, the hair twirl isn't necessary. When you are blessed with type 4 hair, a hair scrunch or a finger coil isn't really needed. Our curls just pop. It is important to make sure that your coils are hydrated and have enough product. The last step is to braid my hair. I prepare for the braid by sectioning my hair into 3 sections, and it's important to note that I do my best to not interrupt the individual coils as I plait. And because of that, you will understand and see how easy it is to separate my curls during the takedown process. After I'm done with my ends left out, I secure the bottom with a rubber band by wrapping it around twice. By helping my drying process, I remove any excess product that I see on my braid by sliding it down and off. And this is the result you should get after repeating those 4 steps. Here's the 4-step process one more time. After I am done styling, I will use my handheld dryer and diffuse my hair for a few minutes, and then I will switch and sit under my hooded dryer for the remainder of the drying process. It is the next day and we are ready for the takedown process. I am using my favorite oil to lubricate my hands and prevent as much frizz as possible during the takedown process. My hair is 80 to 90% dry, but I still wanted to show you the takedown process. As you will see, this is why I did my best to keep the coils individual as I braided them, because during the takedown process they just separate and fall apart so beautifully. Now you may see some frizz, and keep in mind that my hair isn't 100% dry, but also I don't mind frizz. Frizz adds a little character to me, so I don't mind. These are my results before any picking or teasing is done. My curls are lightweight, very defined, shiny, and smells amazing. And there you have it. This is my current Braid-N-Go routine. I've been natural for years and I feel like I discovered a whole new side of my hair and it's so exciting. So if you try this method, let me know. Let me know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and come back and see me. And as always, remember to be uniquely and completely you. Bye-bye for now.